Most health gurus encourage people to get adequate levels of omega-3. Now, oftentimes when they're making this recommendation, they're thinking fish. But for many people, they opt to tick the fish box through the use of a fish oil supplement. After all, fish oil supplements are concentrated fish. Plus, they're relatively cheap and easy to access. And if the marketing is anything to go by, those fish oil supplements are a panacea for health problems. So they must be the same, if not better, than fresh fish. Fish oil versus fish. Which is better? Well, a group of researchers recently asked precisely this question. Join us for this episode of Better Body Chemistry TV as we find out which is better. Better Body Chemistry TV is brought to you by Dr. Sandy, a scientist turned gremlin buster, helping you battle sugar gremlins, heifer lumps, and other health horribles through better body chemistry. Remember, small things can make a big difference to your health. Now, to do their testing, the researchers used an open study design. This means that both the participants and the scientists knew what group they were assigned to. It is kinda hard to disguise fish eating. You're doing it or you're not. They opted to test out the fish benefits in people with cholesterol problems, reasoning these are the guys most in need of fish-related benefits. In fact, the American Heart Association endorses a 2 to 4 gram daily intake of fish oil for patients with high triglyceride levels. So, the Shiraz Healthy Heart House took 106 otherwise healthy, drug-free, hyperlipidemic patients and signed them on. Half were assigned to eat fish and the other half to take a fish supplement. Now, the researchers provided both the fish and the fish supplements. They did their best to ensure that both groups got approximately the same amount of omega-3s each week. So for the fish eaters, this meant 250 grams of farm trout appeared on the menu twice a week, and for the supplementers, 2 grams of a commercial fish oil supplement was swallowed every day. The fish prescription amounted to 14 grams of omega-3s, 2.8 grams of EPA, and 1.6 grams of DHA per week. The fish prescription was taken for a period of 2 months. Now, nothing else changed. Patients were told to eat their normal diet, maintain their usual physical activities during the trial. So, what happened? Well, fish aversion was high. Fish breath and fish stares were to blame. It turned out 5 people found swallowing fish oil distressing to the GIT system, and so they opted out. And 4 people couldn't cope with all the fish dinners. But those that stuck with it found fish eating improved their lipid profiles. Both the omega-3 supplements and the fresh fish caused significant decreases in total cholesterol, in triglyceride levels, along with an increase in HDL. Remember, HDL is the good cholesterol. Confirming consuming fish is a health move. But there were differences. Eating the real thing was superior to supplements. All the numbers were better. Notably, so was the LDL. Now, this didn't happen with the fish oil supplement. The fish oil supplement actually made the LDL situation marginally worse, increasing the level by, on average, 18.7 milligrams per deciliter, or 30.46%. Why the difference? Well, fresh fish is more than omega-3. Fish is a protein source, and tucked inside the fish flesh is an assortment of other nutrients such as selenium and vitamin D. One or more of these nutrients might be making the difference. The other disparity: 2 fish dinners replaced something else. Now, if the something they replaced was particularly unhealthy, the fish dinner would be making a bigger health impact than the fish oil supplement. Finally, there are a few extra things inside those fish oil pills, some of which may be problematic. The take-home message: fresh fish is best. So when you can, eat fresh fish. It will help you create better body chemistry and better health. Interested in discovering more ways to create better body chemistry or need a little help getting your body chemistry on track? Visit our website at www.betterbodychemistry.com. Browse our library or enroll in one of our courses or programs. The advice is simple to follow and based on real science, not hype. Spread the word. Fish oils are good. Fresh fish is better. If this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you catch future episodes of Better Body Chemistry TV. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Remember, small things can make a big difference to your health.